So, hello, my beautiful viewers. This time I have some friends and my student as well. And we are not learning anything, or I'm not here to teach anything, but we are going to only discuss about a particular topic. And I want to say one thing that I made some vlogs that was in Hindi, but somewhere or the other I was not satisfied that much making those vlogs. That's why I thought that I'll run both channels, first English and Hindi as well. So today we are going to discuss on a very important topic that would be quite easier for you to get it. So let's start with this. So I want you to introduce yourself first of all.
First of all, Jai Hind and Namaste everyone. My name is Shubham Raja. I am from Begusarai, Bihar. I have completed my 12th in 2021 and now I am pursuing graduation with LNMU University. If I talk about my parents, my father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife, and my younger brother is studying in 12th class. Uh, my hobbies are listening songs and taking exercise. My strengths are I am self-disciplined and confident. I like adventures and also want to serve our nation. So I choose Indian Air Force as a medium. Uh, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. That's
I'll
great.
come.
And after some time. So you said that you are going to talk about, or we are going to talk about that particular topic was
Social network and networking sites.
okay, social network and networking sites.
Yes.
What do you understand by it, so that I could also say something?
On this time, social media is a powerful medium through which we can share our thoughts. It may be quite fast and convenient way of communicating people's. And that's all.
Okay, but I'm not, I would say, able to exactly understand between the difference of, I would say, social network and social sites. What is social network and social sites? Because this is your
Topic.
this is your topic, and you've something like you've written down something regarding the social network and social sites. What is social network and networking sites?
I'm not able to describe it.
Oh my
I
goodness.
don't know the perfect definition of this things.
Then why did you write down these things in your notebook?
Because in upcoming time, my GD is.
Okay, you
Yeah.
are okay. You are about to prepare for, not you are about to prepare, but you are gonna go to up here in
Air Force GD.
okay, Air Force GD. Okay, that's why you've written it down.
Yeah.
But first of all, you will have to exactly know the meaning of it, so that if somehow or the other, if it comes, then
Because
should not.
I have not much time, so I prepare. I have to prepare more and more topics in short time. So I sorted it and just know the basic fundamental things of it. So I sort it.
Okay, but I'll tell you, this is the basic thing what you've written, the topic. But topic actually you should know about this topic, anything, or if you would be able to clarify it, would be better for us to get it. So that's it right now. We are going to discuss about another topic. So let's stay tuned with us. See you in the next video.